Hi, my name is Joseph. I'm a certified Ford technician here at Mullinax Ford. Did you know that at Mullinax Ford we provide mobile service? Are you running low on time? For your convenience, we come out to you and provide oil change services. We replace your fluids in your car, wiper blades, filters, we replace the tires, and we do battery testing with battery replacements. Do you get a recall letter in the mail? Let us come out to you and get it done.
So I bought this Expedition last year and I love it, and it came time for my first service. So I called Mullinax and talked to the service advisor to schedule the service, and she said, well, did you know that we have mobile service that can come to your house? I said, no, I didn't, but that sounds great, thank you. So they sent the mobile service advisor out, and he got here. You know, I was working from home, and so I just came out and I shook his hand and, hi, how are you doing? And gave him the key, and about 45 minutes or an hour later, or whatever it was, we were all done. Easy peasy, as they say. And it was a great experience, and I would definitely do it again.
Call us and make your appointment today. We are the friendliest people to do business with. See you soon.